In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OneDrive availability status error in Windows 11. Start by looking at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. Check for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you can already see it, right-click the cloud icon. If you do not see it there, click the up arrow to open the hidden icons area, then find the OneDrive cloud icon and right-click it from there. In the menu that appears, click Quit OneDrive, then click Close OneDrive to confirm. Now press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type OneDrive slowly into the search field so it appears clearly on screen. When OneDrive shows up in the search results, click it to open it again. This restarts the app. After a few moments, the OneDrive cloud icon should reappear in the system tray. Once it comes back, right-click the OneDrive cloud icon again. If syncing is paused, click Resume Syncing. After that, open File Explorer and check whether the availability status error is gone. If the error is still there, continue with the next fix. Go back to the system tray and right-click the OneDrive cloud icon one more time. In the panel that opens, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Then click Settings. In the Settings window, click Sync and Backup in the left sidebar. Scroll down until you reach Advanced Settings, then click it to expand that section. Under Files on Demand, click Download All Files. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Continue. OneDrive will now begin downloading local copies of all your cloud files. As this happens, the status column in File Explorer will start updating. Files that previously showed cloud icons will change to green check marks as they become available locally. Depending on how many files are stored in OneDrive, this process may take several minutes to finish. When the download is complete, open File Explorer again and check whether the availability status error has cleared. If it is still showing, move on to the third fix. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. In the Run box, type the reset command shown on screen. Pause if needed, so the command can be entered exactly as displayed, then press Enter. A blank command prompt window may appear very briefly and then close on its own. If any window flashes during this step, you can ignore it. Next, press the Windows key plus R again to open the Run dialog a second time. Paste the OneDrive reset command shown on screen. Pause here is needed so the full command can be copied correctly, then press Enter. As the reset begins, the OneDrive icon will disappear from the system tray. Wait about 30 seconds while Windows completes the reset process. If a message appears saying Windows cannot find the command, use the alternate path shown in the pinned comment instead. Enter that alternate command in the Run dialog and press Enter the same way. After that, press the Windows key again. Type OneDrive into search, allowing enough time for the text to appear clearly. When OneDrive appears in the search results, click it to launch the app. OneDrive will restart and begin a full sync. After a moment, the cloud icon should return to the system tray. Now open File Explorer and go to your OneDrive folder. Check the Availability Status column. The status icon should now display correctly instead of showing error. Locally available files should show green check marks, and online-only files should show cloud icons. If you use the Download All Files option in the second fix, all files will show green check marks because they are now stored locally on your device. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.